Hello and welcome to IT Skills 360. I'm your host RJ. Let me give you a quick background about myself first, and then we'll talk about what we are going to discuss and cover in this channel. So, I am an IT professional. I have an experience about IT for many years now, almost I would say two plus decades. So, yes, quite a lot. I did go from coding, programming to IT management. In fact, I should add that I am a self-taught programmer in the beginning, and then I got a professional degree. I have also done VBA, C++, some JavaScript, HTML, two database, and then data analytics currently that I'm focusing on. So what excites me about this IT career is that there is always something new to learn, new technology, new languages, all about that. And it's just not learning, but what I have learned so far can be also shared. So it's basically this should be a platform to exchange our knowledge and ideas and thoughts. Um, and that was the idea behind this particular channel and the site. So let's quickly talk about what are we going to talk in this channel. So of course this is all about IT. So what we are going to talk about is the IT career, and in that we'll talk about programming, languages, database, and database are different kinds of things we'll cover in the database side. Of course, there are new technologies now emerging, which is data science, cloud technology, visualizations, and nothing is complete without the soft skills. So no matter how much you know about your programming language, but you need to know certain soft skills such as how to interview, how to write your resume, how to present yourself, how to do a presentation, and all of that is covered through a mindset. So we'll also cover those kind of things. So basically what I'm saying is that we'll cover from hard skills to soft skills and everything in between. So there will be an exciting journey, and of course this is not possible as a one man solo journey, right? So we'll be working as a team. I would definitely welcome your feedback, and if you have any comments, suggestions, please feel free to either reach out to me or add the comments below in this channel. I can be reached at rj at idskills360.com. And again, welcome and looking forward to have a great journey. Thank you so much.